race number 5. The favorite Nara, Faultless Flying G. And the race is on. Superior Art from the outside. My Queen, Hannah's Gold, Nara. Moving up by Daral, Faultless Flying G, Sangre del Tigre, and Admiral Contender is the Eritrea. Hannah's Gold, My Queen by Daral, Nara racing third by about 2 lengths. Faultless racing fourth by about 2 lengths. Alongside Superior Art, Sangre del Tigre, Flying G second last, and Admiral Contender. And rounding the far turn, Hannah's Gold, followed now by Nara in second. My Queen rushing up is Superior Art, and Faultless, Sangre del Tigre, Flying G, and Admiral Contender. And at the far turn, Hannah's Gold, Nara racing on the outside to grab the lead. Pocky's nose. Nara from the outside. Hannah's Gold down on the inside. And Faultless rushing up Superior Art. And ring the last 150 meters more to run. Nara by half a length. Hannah's Gold, Flying G is now running in third. Nara, Hannah's Gold, Flying G, Admiral Contender. But Nara is still leading by about 3. And finally, Nara, Admiral Contender, Hannah's Gold, Flying G, Faultless, Pentafecta, then comes Sangre del Tigre, Superior Art, and My Queen.